So much for that. You know what I mean? You can just forget about it because you're never gonna have it. It's never gonna happen. So just stop, you know? It ruined my vibe. Hello friendos and welcome to my channel. I am Beedee and today I'm going to be presenting a video all about Miss White T-shirt. Yes, so Chello to anyone that is new to my channel, and if you are returning to my channel, it is so good to see you. You're looking like so good. It's really just like taking me to another level, and I'm happy that you have returned. See what happens when you are a subscriber of my channel, a returning viewer. You get a more enhanced, elevated greeting, okay? And I want that for all of you, all right? But what you have to do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the team, all right? Now that we have gotten all of that formality stuff out of the way, let's jump right into this video. So today I'm going to be talking about Miss White T-shirt. Now this one, I gotta be honest with you all, I have been dragging my foot about recording this video because what I'm gonna say is not what I had anticipated I would have to say about this scent, okay? So let's get into, I guess, a little bit of the background about this scent. Now in 2020, when we are in the thick of the pandemic, I started seeing some folks post on like Instagram, social media, stuff like that, test stores or just some stores, not all stores, but some stores that had gotten this like white T-shirt sent in. It's supposed to smell like, you know, a crisp, fresh, clean white T-shirt right out the dryer. And I'm just like, are you reading my mind? Like Bath and Body Works, you know that I love laundered scents, and this sounds like exactly what I have wanted. What? It sounds exactly like what I have wanted all of my life. Just something that is a clean, fresh scent, something that could be my everyday go-to. And I was super hyped about it. But the problem was this scent was being tested basically. So it wasn't available nationwide. It wasn't even launched like you would see things on their website, blah, blah, blah. This was solely something that they were testing. So it was only available in certain stores, and none of the stores in my area had it. So I was like, so much for that. You know what I mean? You can just forget about it because you're never gonna have it. It's never gonna happen. So just stop, you know? So I was like, cool, fine, whatever. Now, semi-annual rolls around, and some people are starting to see like small batches of white T-shirt pop in their stores, right? Again, not across the board, every store. Just occasionally I would see people post about it, but it was very like rare. But I was happy and like, okay, hopeful maybe my store might get like a small batch a white T-shirt, okay? I was letting like my go-to local store know, like, if you please, like if you see this scent come in your store, can you please hold some for me or do something? Send like a pigeon with like a note attached to the foot, or like charter a plane and send the plane across my location with like the banner that says, hey, we have it. Just, I was very much in need and pressed about this scent. So semi-annual rolls around and basically you get everything but white T-shirt in the stores. Like it just wasn't gonna happen again. So I was just like, you know what, maybe this is just not meant to be for me. You know what I mean? Clearly they're not gonna do it because fall rolls around, 2020, no launch of white T-shirt. Spring 2021 rolls around, nothing. Summer, nothing. Fall, nothing. So I'm just like, just forget it. I was telling my close loved ones like, hey, I really, really am thirsty about this scent. Like, I'm mad that I wasn't able to get it. And this is all on blind nose, not knowing what it smells like, just being hopeful, right? Based on the name and the description from people who had it. Then we get to the end of 2021, and as always, Bath and Body Works will preview what they have in store for like their first launch of spring stuff. And wouldn't you know, wouldn't you be so knowing to know that they were like, hey girl, white T-shirt is coming. We've heard your cries at night about it, and we're tired of those, so we're just gonna launch the whole collection nationwide. So I was super excited, very much hyped, very much ready to go on this scent. I was waiting on a good sale though, because if you know me, you know that I'm not ever gonna do buy three get one. Like, who is that for? Someone who doesn't know any better? I don't know, but I'm always gonna wait for a buy three get three or a coupon, if those even exist anymore. I haven't seen them, haven't gotten one in months, you know what I mean? But I'm always gonna wait for the best body care deal, even a body care sale where they do like the $5.95. I'm just gonna wait. But in the meantime, room spray and like the single wick candle launched before the body cares. I was just like, whatever, I'll just get the room spray. So I was able to get the room spray, and I talked about the room spray in this video because I was just like, let me see how I feel about it. And the room spray was cute, you know what I mean? It was like I said in that video, happy to get this. So now we're gonna do a little smell test. It low-key smelled like fresh cotton or like fresh linen had a baby. Like together they made one, and that one was white t-shirt. I don't know if it's giving what I thought it was gonna give. It's good though, it's clean. But then again, you know what? Home fragrance doesn't always match the body care, so we might get something totally different in body care. If you want to see more of like what I talked about in that video, I will link it below and put it in the iCard. But I was just like, I don't know. I'm hopeful still, but I'm hoping that the home fragrance will differ in some way from the body care, because I don't love the way the room spray smells. Fast forward to February. My birthday rolls around and I was gifted the entire white t-shirt collection. I hadn't bought anything other than that room spray, but I was gifted this for my birthday. Thank you very much. The entire collection, and what was super special about this gift is that this is the 2020 version. The test market version is what I received, along with some of the newer items that came out this year, 2022. When I started to test out the body care, the first thing that I did was look at the notes. So I want to first tell you all what the notes are for the home fragrance, because I think that is important. Crisp pear, lavender cloud, and soft sandalwood. I think as home fragrance, this is great. Like, I'm like, cool. Even the room spray, I'm like, okay, I get it. It really is different from what I was expecting. When I looked at the body care notes, I noticed that it was a lot different. Not a lot different, but some different things in the body care. This is the moisturizing body wash, and the notes are crisp pear, which checks out. That is also in the home fragrance. Then they have fresh white t-shirt. So I was like, home fragrance doesn't have that. Body care does. Maybe we'll be into some different smells here since you added something. Then they have lavender cloud. That's also in the home fragrance. But also here's a new thing, which is clean musk. I love musk type smells, and the clean musk, I'm like, okay. They took notes. They knew that it wouldn't work to do the home fragrance like the body care, because two different new notes here. And then they also have the soft sandalwood. I personally love sandalwood, so I was like, cool, I'm glad that's still here. But the two additional notes, fresh white t-shirt and clean musk, I was like, okay, great. That'll give me the scent that I'm looking for, which is like a soft scent, but still has that fresh, that crispness that I'm looking for. So I go to try it. And I'm gonna try it again here for you guys. I actually wore it today. I also have the body wash, the regular body shower gel, but it's in the shower. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray that. And no. Somehow it's almost like it got worse with the body care. Somehow, I don't know. Let me read the description for you. It says, white t-shirt is a new favorite for everyone every day. Anyone can wear it. Everybody loves it. Classic, effortless, and always in style. Which is true for an actual white t-shirt. But for this scent, I gotta be honest. All that I smell is lavender. That's it. That's all. and it smells so heavily synthetic to me that it's just like, it ruined my vibe, if I'm being completely honest. Like, it's a good scent, but not at all what I was expecting from White T-shirt. I was expecting something cottony. Now they do have another scent which is like fresh cotton and something. I put it on the screen, but that one also was not what I was expecting. So I was like, that's okay, I didn't even purchase that one. But this scent, to me, all I smell is lavender. I'm not a fan of lavender at all. If it's paired well, great, but here it's the dominant scent for me. I don't smell any pear or sandalwood. I definitely don't smell any like clean musk or anything like that. Or if there is musk, it's not pairing well to me with the lavender. I would say it's a good scent if you are not looking to smell like a fresh, clean White T-shirt. If you're just wanting to smell floral or like starch, like if you came from an era where you ironed your clothes, which I clearly don't do anymore, but if you come from an era where you used to iron your clothes with starch, then this is what it smells like. It smells like straight starch to me, and I'm just like, no, you know what I mean? Like, that's not what I wanted. It almost gives me like kitchen cleanser or like something you would clean the house with, like a household essential type thing. Nothing that I would want to like lather myself in. I would definitely recommend that you try it out, but for me, it's just giving starchy starch, and I don't understand. It's something that's wearable. I will wear it, I will layer it, and see how that goes. I'm actually going to be talking about that in my next video, so definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss my next video. But yeah, is White T-shirt good? I think it's good if you don't have your expectations set on this being like your go-to scent. For me, it's not. It's clean, but not in the way that I want. Like, I categorize clean in like, you have your florals, you have your fresh, you have your cotton, and then you have your citrus. I typically like cotton and sometimes citrus. It depends, but definitely not a floral like clean. I'm not a huge fan of that. So I'm looking at my notes about the scent, but I think I touched on everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I want to be able to give you a really nice greeting next time, okay? A little extra something. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy Bath & Body Works content and you know, just want to talk all things body care. Definitely give me a thumbs up. God bless you. I will be praying for you all. Please say a prayer for yourselves and others as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.